Now, 68 years after losing Air India to nationalization, Tatas have now won the bid for Air India once again, reports Bloomberg. In fact, the government is yet to make the official announcement. The other bidder was Ajay Singh, who is also the promoter of SpiceJet. Aviation Ministry sources say that debt of Air India stands at 43,000 crore rupees. In fact, the government is now looking at completing the sell-off by December. The government is selling its entire stake in the airline as well as its stake in subsidiary Air India Express. 50% of the stake in service company Air India SATS is also being sold off now. Let me cut across to Pooja there, who explains to us the key takeaways of Air India's possible takeover by Tata and Sons.
Let me take you through possible scenarios of how could this change for the Air India as a national carrier. It could be, of course, the end of turbulent times for the Maharaja. There were a lot of problems with regard to increments, salaries, and just the manner in which the carrier was being run. Tata's to get, however, an entire stake of Air India and Air India Express, which are the subsidiary forms as well. Government's disinvestment plan is on track. There was criticism coming in that this may actually not pave way in any way healthier for Air India, but that they have managed to for now. Air India's sale could boost the economy because, of course, if the carrier could not really ensure proper functioning and operations, if that comes back on track, it will revive not only Air India as an airline, but the economy with the money that comes in. Government's big message to disinvestment naysayers against the criticism that may just be proven wrong. All of this, of course, once an official communication also comes.
Now, let's take a quick listen to what aviation experts have to say on this mega move.
I'm very happy, actually, first, that it's the Tatas who are getting it. The Tatas, as you yourself said, it's come full circle. I have a long association with it. And amongst the candidates who had bid, I would, given Tata's experience now with Vistara, they were well positioned to be considered, and having made the best bid for the government higher than the reserve price and the other serious contender, I'm glad it is the Tatas who got that.
I think it's completely in the fitness of things that Air India is back with the Tatas, the original parent. So, from a sort of perspective of true justice, this is wonderful news. Second, coming in, without getting into some of the more sort of financials and the logistics. Just from a purely, sort of an ideological situation, in terms of the culture of Air India, all of that one would expect to be more or less retained because it was the Maharaja, and all of that. So from a branding perspective and from a natural justice perspective, it's a great thing that's happened.
All right, let me quickly cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us live from Dubai. For more on this, Aishwarya, here's Tata's new Maharaja almost won the bid for Air India. An official announcement from the government is due. But what's been the reaction across the aviation sector on this?
Well, the aviation sector definitely is very happy, and one of the reasons why we are seeing all of them being in a cheerful mood is because if Tata's come in, and what our sources are telling us, the deal is almost done. We are just waiting an official announcement from the government. Then Tata's will definitely make sure that Air India reaches new heights. And once a player like Tata comes back into the aviation space, then definitely we will see the other airlines also bucking up. And let me tell you, Air India definitely has some of the best routes amongst all the airlines. What it needs is someone who's ready to put in the money, because at the moment what we are seeing is that government has been putting in money, but Air India continues to make losses. It's been making losses for almost a decade now. So the government too was hoping for this disinvestment to go ahead, and once this is done, this will pave the way because of what Prime Minister has also been saying. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been talking about disinvestment. This definitely, Nabila, will pave way for more disinvestment in time to come. Back to you.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Aishwarya, for joining us with those details. The world over, state-run airlines usually handled by a private player. We're hoping that this time Tata and Son gives a big boost to the sinking Air India airline.